Hello friends, my name is Ankur and welcome back to my channel. Friends, today we are going to start our English speaking part 120 and friends, today we are going to discuss about describing people and things type sentences in our English language. So friends, let's start our English speaking part 120. Describing people and things. Now friends, today we are going to discuss about some those topic of those sentences in which we normally describe about the physical appearance of a particular person or things. So friends, let's see them with examples. वह लंबा है. So in English it means he is tall. So friends, the sentence basically means that the person is mentioning about a particular person and he is saying कि वह लंबा है means he is tall. So it is basically friends present type sentence, and in this sentence we are basically mentioning about the physical appearance or personality of a person. So in normal life also friends, when we see any person and we after seeing him we normally say कि भाई ये तो बहुत लंबा है means he is tall. So friends, it is a present type sentence and it is a sentence which is basically describing about people. वह छोटे कद की है. So in English it means she is short. So friends, the sentence basically means that the person is basically mentioning about a female person's appearance or physical personality. So he's basically saying कि वह छोटे कद की है. So in English it means she is short. So friends, this is also a present type sentence and the person is basically mentioning about the physical personality of a female person. So he's basically saying वह छोटे कद की है. So in English it means she is short. So when we see any short person friends, when we see a person who has a very less height, so we normally say that he is very short means his height is not as big as normal height, as all persons we do have a normal height. So she doesn't have a normal height, she is very short of height. So it is a describing people type sentence. अनिल मंझले कद का है. So in English it means Samir is of medium height. So friend, in this sentence also the person is basically describing about the personality of a male person. So Anil मंझले कद का है. So in English it means Anil is of medium height. So Anil is a noun friends and basically it is a present type sentence because the person is basically mentioning about the physical personality of a person. So he is saying कि Anil मंझले कद का है means Anil is of medium height. So friends, height is hereditary. So height may be very less, it may become medium height, a person can grow tall also. So it depends upon our genes and our heredity of a particular family. So it is a describing people type sentence. Mamta moti hai. So in English it means Mamta is fat. The sentence basically means that the person is also describing about a female person. So he is basically saying कि भाई ममता मोटी है. So in English it means Mamta is fat. So friends, basically it is a present type sentence and Mamta is basically a noun, a name of a person. So it is a describing people type sentence. As usual friends, we normally see in our day-to-day life when any guest comes to visit our home. So if he is very fat, so we normally say ये तो बहुत दुबली थी, ये तो बहुत मोटी हो गई. So in English it means Mamta मोटी है means Mamta is fat. So it is a present type sentence and it is also mentioning about the physical personality of a female person. Kitty dubli patli hai means Kitty is slim. So friends, the person is basically mentioning about the physical appearance of a female person. So he is basically saying कि Kitty dubli patli hai. Here Kitty is noun. So in English it means Kitty is slim. So it is a present type sentence friends. And the person is basically mentioning that Kitty बहुत पतली दुबली है means Kitty is slim. So we normally see in our day-to-day life also friends, if we normally see a student or children etc. or any member of in our family or friends, so we normally say भाई ये तो बहुत पतली दुबली है means ये कुछ खाती पीती नहीं है, ये तो बहुत पतली दुबली है. So in English it means Kitty is slim. So it is a present type sentence friends and since it is basically describing about the physical personality of a female person. नितिन का शरीर सुडौल है. So in English it means Nitin is well built. So friends, basically this sentence is also describing about the physical personality of a male person. So friends, basically Nitin is a noun, name of a person and नितिन का शरीर सुडौल है means Nitin is well built. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And in this sentence, the person is mentioning that नितिन सुडोल है, मीन्स उसने अपनी बहुत अच्छी बॉडी मेंटेन कर रखी है, मतलब एक परफेक्ट उसकी पर्सनैलिटी है. सो नितिन का शरीर सुडोल है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स नितिन इज वेल बिल्ड. सो इट इज अ प्रेजेंट टाइप सेंटेंस, फ्रेंड्स, एंड बेसिकली इट इज डिस्क्राइबिंग अबाउट ए पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. नेहा सुंदर है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स नेहा इज प्रेटी ब्यूटिफुल. So friends, the sentence basically means that the person is basically mentioning about the physical personality of a female person. Basically, he is mentioning that she has a very good personality, she is very beautiful, etc. So Neha Sundar hai. So in English it means Neha is pretty beautiful, and Neha is a noun and it is a present type sentence, friends. And basically, when we see a beautiful girl, so we normally say that she is very pretty. So Sundar girl in English means pretty girl. So Neha Sundar hai. So in English it means Neha is a pretty beautiful. So it is a present type sentence, friends, and basically it is describing about the beauty of a female person. Vipin Sundar hai. So in English it means Vipin is handsome. So friends, this sentence is also mentioning about the beauty of a male person. So the person is basically saying कि Vipin Sundar hai, means Vipin is the name of a noun and it is a present type sentence. Vipin is handsome. Friends, if we see a male person and if he is very, अगर वो बहुत सुंदर है, if he is very good looking, so we normally say सुंदर है means he is very handsome. So Vipin सुंदर है. So in English it means Vipin is handsome. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And in this sentence, basically the person is mentioning about the beauty of a male person. So it is a describing people type sentence. Simi गोरी है. So in English it means Simi is fair. So friends, in this sentence, the person is mentioning about the beauty of a female person. So he is basically mentioning that Simi gori hai, where Simi is noun because it is a name of a person and it is a present type sentence. So Simi is fair. So friends, normally when we see a fair person, we normally say कि भाई उसका रंग तो बहुत गोरा है, मतलब वो तो बहुत गोरी है, means she is very fair. So Simi gori hai. So in English it means Simi is fair. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And since in this sentence the person is basically describing about the beauty of a female person, so it is a describing people type sentence. Saurabh Savla kala hai. So in English it means Saurabh is dark. The sentence basically means that the person is mentioning about the physical personality of a male person. So सौरभ सांवला यानी काला है. So सौरभ इज द नेम ऑफ ए नाउन एंड दे आर बेसिकली सेइंग दैट सौरभ सांवला है, मीन्स वो काला है, मतलब वो गोरा नहीं है, उसका जो कलर है स्किन का वो सांवला है या काला है. सो इन इंग्लिश इट मीन्स सौरभ इज डार्क. सो इट इज अ प्रेजेंट टाइप सेंटेंस, फ्रेंड्स, एंड सिंस सौरभ इज द नेम ऑफ ए पर्सन, सो सौरभ इज अ नाउन and it is a present type sentence. And in this sentence basically they are describing about the physical beauty of a person, about the color of a complexion of a person. So it is a describing people type sentence. उसका रंग गेहुआ है. So in English it means his complexion is wheatish. The sentence basically means that the person is basically describing about the color complexion of a particular person. So he is basically saying उसका रंग गेहुआ है means his complexion is wheatish. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And since we normally see, friends, in our day to day life, we normally if we see any person and we say भाई इसका रंग तो गेहुआ है, means his color is wheatish. So उसका रंग गेहुआ है. So in English it means his complexion is wheatish, since it is a present type sentence. And in this sentence the person is basically describing about the color or complexion of a particular person. So it is a describing people type sentence. Raman के मूंछ है. So in English it means Raman has mustache. The sentence basically means that the person is basically describing about the beard and mustache of a particular person. So basically he is saying Raman के मूंछ है means Raman is a name of a noun, and since he has mustache, मतलब उसके mustache मूंछें हैं. So in English it means Raman has mustache. So it is a present type sentence, friends. And friends, normally if we see a person जिसके मूछे दाढ़ी होती हैं, we normally say भाई इसके तो मूछे दाढ़ी हैं, means इसके मूछे हैं, यानी रमन के मूछ है. So in English it means Raman has mustache. So friends, basically Raman is the name of a noun, and since it is a present type sentence, in this sentence basically they are describing about the appearance of mustache in a particular male person. So it is a describing people type sentence. Pradeep की दाढ़ी मूछ नहीं है. So in English it means Pradeep is clean shaved. The sentence basically means that the person is basically describing about the appearance, physical appearance of a particular person. So he is basically saying कि प्रदीप की दाढ़ी मूछ नहीं है. So friends, basically Pradeep is the name of a noun, name of a person, so it is a noun and it is a present type sentence because they are saying वही प्रदीप की दाढ़ी मूछ नहीं है means Pradeep is clean shaved, so it is a present type sentence. And we normally see, friends, there are various people around us who doesn't have mustache or beard on their face, or they either try to look clean shaved in front of various people. So Pradeep की दाढ़ी मूछ नहीं है means Pradeep is clean shaved. So it is a present type sentence and Pradeep is basically a noun. So in this sentence they are basically describing about the appearance of beard or mustache on a particular person. So it is a describing people type sentence. So friends, this was the English speaking part 120 in which I tried to explain you about describing people or things, means those sentences in which we normally try to tell or describe about the complexion, color or beauty of a particular person or things are known as describing people or things type sentences. So friends, as usual, I wrote down these sentences in Hindi and side by side translated you in English so that you may find it easier to understand about these kind of sentences. So friends, I hope you would have find it easier to understand about describing people and things type sentences, because friends, these kind of sentences we normally speak in our day-to-day life because we normally interact with different kind of persons in our society who have good complexion or color, or who have mustache or beard, or who doesn't have mustache or beard, or who are tall or short, or who has medium height also. So we normally interact with these kind of persons in our day-to-day life daily. So friends, kindly practice these kind of sentences in your spare time. Either try to talk in front of mirror or try to talk with your parents, relatives, friends, neighbors, etc. And with the passage of time, you will realize that your English language has become fluent, your confidence has boosted up, and ultimately your personality has groomed. So friends, kindly like, share, subscribe my channel, and please do press the bell icon in the subscription box, and I will also share my Instagram and Facebook link in the description box below. So friends, at last I will request you again that please keep practicing these sentences daily, and ultimately at some point of time you will find that you have become a fluent English speaker in front of another person. So friends, thanks for your valuable and precious time. Have a nice day.